Hello students, in previous video we have seen how to resolve the vectors, that is resolution of vectors. Now in this video we are going to see what is vector multiplications. So how we can multiply two different vectors. The first type of multiplication of vector is scalar product or dot product. So why it is called dot product? Suppose there is vector p and there is another vector q. Then the product is defined by p bar dot q bar. So because of this dot, we will call this product is dot product. Now why it is scalar product? This product is called scalar because the answer of this product is equal to scalar. So this is magnitude of vector p, q is magnitude of vector q bar, and then into cos of theta, where theta is the angle between p and q. This is the definition of dot product. So I will write it again. P bar dot q bar is equal to p q cos of theta. Suppose this is vector p, this is vector q, then this will be the angle in between them. Let us call this as theta. So when we calculate the magnitude of vector p, magnitude of vector q and theta, then we can find out the magnitude of this dot product. Remember, dot product is always scalar. So we will call this as scalar product. Suppose this is vector p and this is vector q. Now we can see pq into cos theta, right? Pq into cos theta is the dot product between vector p bar and vector q bar. Suppose I drop a perpendicular to the vector q bar from vector p bar. This is exactly equal to p cos theta, p cos theta. Or suppose I draw a vector, or if I draw perpendicular on the p from q, then I will get this is equal to q cos theta. In both way we can multiply this magnitude of this p into q cos theta. This will give me pq cos theta. Similarly, magnitude of q into p cos theta will give pq cos theta. This gives us the first property of scalar product, that is the scalar product is always commutative. That is, we can do this product in any order. So p dot q is exactly equal to q dot p. I will write this again here. Pq cos theta is the dot product of vector p and vector q. So what will happen if the angle is equal to 0? So cos 0 is equal to 1. So this will become equal to pq when theta is equal to 0 degree. Suppose this is exactly equal to the pi by 2, that is, suppose theta is equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 is equal to 0. So this will become 0 at theta equal to 90 degree. Suppose we have theta equal to 180 degree. That is, one is in this direction, then another is in this direction. That is called anti-parallel. So in that case, we will get cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. So instead of pq, we will get minus pq for theta equal to 180 degree. There is another definition for dot product. Suppose we have vector p is equal to px I cap plus py j cap plus pz k cap, and q bar is equal to qx I cap plus qy j cap plus qz k cap. Then the dot product between these two vectors is given by the respective multiplication of corresponding unit vectors. So this will become px plus pyqy plus pzqz. So what are the unit vectors? I cap and I cap. So their magnitudes will get multiplied, and plus the multiplication of magnitude of vector j cap, similarly for k cap. So mathematically we can write p bar dot q bar is exactly equal to px plus pyqy plus pzqz. This is also another definition of dot product. So we can get these interesting properties. Suppose the unit vectors are along the same direction, then their dot product with itself is equal to 1. That is, I cap dot I cap equal to 1, or j cap into j cap is equal to 1, and k cap into k cap is also equal to 1. So basically these three products are equal to 1. Now suppose we have different vectors like I cap into j cap, or j cap into k cap, or k cap into I cap in any order. If they are different, then we will get the product is equal to 0, because in that case cos theta is equal to 0, because theta is equal to 90 degree.